Well, hello there, and welcome to Create the Destiny, a place where we as women in the heart of our lives come together to forge new paths and redefine our journey. I'm Carmen Hecox, your host and companion in this exploration of growth and self-empowerment. Today, we're focusing on a critical aspect of our midlife transformation, reassessing our life goals. This episode is dedicated to understanding the power of reflection and action, guiding you through the process of aligning your aspirations with your true self. Join me in unraveling how this phase of life can be a springboard to fulfillment and self-actualization. First, let's dig into the heart of reassessing our life goals in midlife, not just beneficial, but essential. For many of us, the years leading to midlife have been a whirlwind of fulfilling roles and responsibilities. We've nurtured families, built careers, and upheld societal norms. But in the midst of fulfilling journeys, our own dreams and aspirations have become muted or lost. Midlife offers a pivotal moment, a clarion call to reconnect with our inner selves. Why is this essential? Why is this reassessment so critical? Because it's about authenticity, about aligning our lives with our true values and passion. It's an actively dynamic reassessment that can lead to profound life changes. This phase provides a unique opportunity to pause and ask, what truly makes me happy? What am I passionate about? What legacy do I want to leave? The urgency lies in the realization that our time is not infinite. Midlife is a stark reminder of our own temporality, a nudge to reassess our paths while we have the vitality and the wisdom to make meaningful changes. It's about seizing the moment to ensure the second half of our lives is lived with purpose, passion, and personal fulfillment. Reassessing our goals in midlife is not about discarding the past, but about building on it. It's about taking all our experience, lesson, and insights and using them to craft a future that resonates with who we truly are. It's a courageous step toward living a life that's not only fulfilling, but authentically ours. With this understanding of the vital role reassessment plays in our lives, especially at this pivotal stage, let's shift our focus to practical strategies. One thing to recognize the need for change, but another to actively implement it. This brings us to the core of today's discussion. How can we effectively reassess and realign our goals to reflect our true selves? Now let's dive into some teachings and strategies to guide you through this process of goal reassessment journey. First, let's talk about the power of introspection. Setting aside time for self-reflection is crucial. This can be achieved through journaling, where you record your thoughts, aspirations, and feelings over time, providing clarity and insights into what truly matters to you. Meditation or mindfulness practice can offer valuable moments of introspection, helping you connect with your inner self and desires. Next, adaptability is key. Embracing change can be empowering and invigorating. It involves being open to new possibilities and willing to pivot toward your goals as you gain new insights about yourself and your aspirations. Remember, it's okay to let go of goals that no longer serve you and embrace the new ones that align with your current values and passion. Now let's explore specific techniques to help you redefine your goal. Vision mapping is a powerful tool. It involves creating visual representations of your goals and aspirations. Start with a large piece of paper or board and gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your desired future. Arrange these elements on the board in a way that inspires and motivates you. This map serves as a daily reminder of where you're headed. Additionally, creating a step-by-step plan is vital. Break down your new goals into achievable steps, Start with small, manageable actions that lead to the larger changes. For example, if your goal is to pursue a new career, your first step might be researching the field or talking to professionals already in it. These small steps, building momentum, making your goal less daunting and more attainable. By combining introspection, adaptability, vision mapping, and step-by-step planning, you can create a powerful framework for successfully reassessing and achieving your midlife goals. Now let's take a moment for a shared reflection, a part of our time together where your inner voice and experience take center stage. Think about a goal or a dream you've held close to your heart, but haven't yet pursued. What has been holding you back? And more importantly, how can you take a step toward this goal in the coming week? I invite you to share these reflections with our community. For our YouTube viewers, express your thoughts in the comments. Podcast listeners, feel free to send me a voice note or an email. Your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs are what bind us in this shared experience of growth and rediscovery. As we draw to a close, let's hold on to this idea that change, especially in midlife, is not just a phase to endure, but an opportunity to embrace. This time in our life is rich with potential for rediscovery and realignment. Each day is a chance to reassess, to pivot, to move closer to the life that resonates with who you truly are. Remember, it's never too late to reshape your path, to ignite new passions, and to live a life that is not just fulfilling, but a true reflection of your inner self. Carry this thought with you. Your journey is unique. Every step you take is a testament to your strength, wisdom, and courage. Thank you for joining me today on Create the Best Me. For more resources, episode transcripts, and a preview of our upcoming guests, visit createthebestme.com. Join us next week as we welcome a special guest, JJ DiGeronimo, an award-winning author, light worker, entrepreneur, and host of Together We Seek podcast. She will be here to discuss insights from her new book, Seeking 74 Key Findings to Raise Your Energy, Sidestep Your Self-Doubt, and Align with Your Life's Work. Until then, keep dreaming big. Take care of yourself, and remember, you are beautiful, strong, and capable of creating the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. Catch you next week. Bye for now.